Two coronavirus vaccine candidates that are in the phase 3 trials could be eligible for emergency use in India by January 2021, said All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIIMS Director Randeep Guleria. Recently, the United Kingdom approved Pfizer Inc.'s coronavirus vaccine, jumping ahead of the rest of the world in the race to begin the most crucial mass inoculation program in the history. India today registered 36,652 new coronavirus cases in last 24 hours, according to the fresh figures released by the Union Health Ministry. With this, the total number of COVID-19 cases in the country rose to 96.08 lakh. The COVID-19 death toll in the country climbed to 1,39,700. In reiteration of its Charter of Demand and as a part of the ongoing Hill Districts tour to readdress grievances faced by the tribal populations on various issues like education, healthcare system, forest and land rights, a team of all tribal students Union Manipur Atsum had reached remote tribal pockets falling under Jiribam district on 2nd of December and took first-hand account of the hardships faced by the tribal people. Second annual Women Employees Meet 2020 of Lamjingba Group was held at Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS, located at Palace Compound in Imphal. Lamjingba Group Chairman Jackie Sanasam, Board of Directors of the company and women staffs of different units of the company were present on the occasion. An awareness program on COVID-19 and disaster management for community leaders, church leaders, village leaders and youth leaders was held at Longmai 4 Peaceland Community Hall under Nonne District. The program was organized by Directorate of Civil Defense and sponsored by Manipur Relief and Disaster Management Department. Personnel of Tamenglong Police Station have launched an awareness campaign at the district headquarters to ensure two-wheeler riders wear helmet on the road. The campaign aims to ensure public safety, Tamenglong Police said. The World Soil Day 2020 was observed under the theme Keep Soil Alive, Protect Soil Diversity at the Conference Hall of Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Chandel today. Chandel District Deputy Commissioner Mayang Lambam Rajkumar attended the function. A combined team of Imphal West Commando, 33 Assam Rifles and 15 Assam Rifles arrested a woman active cadre of Liberation Tiger of Tribals (LTT) during counter-insurgency operation at Langol Housing Complex, Type 2, Quarter B14 in Imphal yesterday. Hethem Khongsai alias Athem Chongloi, age 45 years, wife of late Houtin Len Chongloi, is a resident of Jangnoi within Kangpokpi district as per a police report. During investigation, Hathem revealed that she joined the outfit in 2019 and started working under the command of self-styled Commander-in-Chief Kaikhohau Khongsai alias Haupu. Kangrei Park News Tengbang Loop KNTL today celebrated Ningol Chakoba Festival at Khangabok Makhalaikai of Thaubal district. Social worker Junrei Wan also attended the celebration. KNTL celebrates Ningol Chakoba, one of the biggest festivals of the Meitei community every year.